Nothing makes me happy to say what I'm about to say. None whatsoever. Before I say anything at all, I'd like to send my sincerest sympathies to the people of Sudan. All the killing and dying that is going on in the Sudan is purely because our people, African people, fail to see themselves as African people. What is going on in the Sudan is a deep, deep identity crisis. In the Sudan, we have perfectly black African people who simply view themselves as different. Black Africans who view themselves as Arabs. That's at the heart of all the killing and dying in the Sudan. Until we African people realize to stop worshiping foreign religions and their foreign gods, we will never be free. We will always find one another to be suspect, mistrust one another, and therefore hate one another, and even kill one another. Let us do all we can to help our brothers and sisters in the Sudan. All the experiments, all the theories have not worked.